Welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, one of the best cities in America. With colorful architecture, great food, and beautiful scenery, there's no question why Charleston is the spot to be.
So come with us on our Charleston trip. We want to bring you along for the adventure. We're actually going to make this Charleston vacation a mini series to show you what we did, where we stayed, and where we ate. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of it.
One of the best ways to learn about a new city is going on a walking tour. We appreciate a brief overview and a quick history lesson before going on our own detours.
Yeah, and most of these tours are pretty affordable in a lot of cities, and they only take up a few hours of your day. We love getting lost in cities, but we also like knowing what we're looking at and a little bit of history of the place that we're visiting. So what kind of traveler are you? Let us know in the comments.
Organically, it's like hard to see.
Rainbow Row, Charleston's hottest Instagrammable location.
Fireworks, explosion.